ZVIA, stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Zevia Pbc stock, a big correction of around 30%. So where does this put it? You know, is it a buy right now? Context, I've done 36,000 videos. I spent 5 figures on courses I'm interested in. I've definitely seen what's working for me and what is not. That being said, ZVIA is just like a... I mean, I'm open-minded for the buys, but this 30% is just like a final stab in the back. Yeah, I mean, we can argue this is a demand zone and this and that, which, I mean, fine, but for me to buy, you know, the confirmation that I want to see is just crazy, you know. So what I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll just kind of keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, you can just click the first link in the description. That's a lot of sauce there. So I'll see you in the next one.